If you're looking for how to buy shares of Bandwidth Inc., this quick guide walks through the process for Band US on NASDAQ. Bandwidth provides cloud communications APIs for voice and messaging, and this video is educational and not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you'll be asked to verify your identity, usually with an ID document, and to add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BANDUS to locate the Bandwidth listing. Make sure the result shows NASDAQ, so you select the correct stock. On the stock page, you'll find a brief company profile and a price chart for Band US. Confirm the company name and exchange to ensure you're viewing the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next market open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. Check the description for a link to the example platform if you want to follow the same steps.